Welcome to dear student for MWM lecture 22341 unit 5. We are dealing the details to assembly. Now we start with the lecture 6 part first with the screw jack. Now I will read the question. Figure shows details of screw jack. Draw sectional front view and top view of assembly. Prepare bill of material. Will score the 16 mark. Now here are the details of the screw jack. Here are the details of the screw jack. First part is the body. It is made up of cast iron and only one part, the body is there. If you look at the body, we have already discussed on it. It is a conical type shape. It is cylindrical, but it is made tapered at top and it is broad, having maximum diameter at the bottom. And it is hollow at the inside. It is made up of the cast iron. Which load is coming? That is compressive load is coming. As we know that when the four-wheeler is punctured, it is lifted with the help of the screw jack, so it has a compressive load on it. Now second part is the bush. This bush is fitted inside the body. Now the bush has the internal thread. It has the wedges and the circular wedges that is of 88 mm diameter. Third part is the screw. It is made up of MS. This screw has a vertical movement inside the bush. So bush is stationary, body is stationary, only screw is moving up and down, which lifts the load. Where to put the load? Now this is third. Here is a cup shaped. It is made up of the cast iron, and there we are putting the load. We are resting the load on the cup, and this cup is fitted in the screw. It will have movement along with the screw. This both moves simultaneously. Now this another parts are the washer and screw that is fitted, and this is the handle. It is fitted here to rotate or to move. When we rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise, that will create a movement in upward and down direction. Now we have to create a first we have to draw the body as it is. Now I will give the number. Now this is the first part. I will give the number 1 and here second part is the bush. Here I will give the number 1. Okay, this is the tricks that we have to understand here. Now first we have to draw the body as it is, same given here. Here I am drawing the body. First I will draw the center line. What is the base diameter? That is 100 mm and 140 mm. From the center line 70 mm this side is. What is the total height? 20, 125, 40. I will mark here 20, 125 and 40. Here will become what is this diameter? It is 75 mm. Okay. What is total height? 40. What is this total height? here 20. 20. What is this distance, inside distance? 50 mm we will mark here. Here 50 mm mark here and draw a line. And just draw the cross line here. With a scale. Now what is the internal diameter? 50 mm. This is the internal diameter 50 mm. To this line we have to just draw the parallel line at 9 mm. At 9 mm. Now here is the hollow portion. This is the hollow portion of 100 mm diameter. How much material from the base is removed? This is 3 mm. 3 mm. Here 3 mm material is removed here. What is the diameter? That is 100 mm is the diameter and 3 mm material. Just we have to draw the line here. Okay. Now the first part we have completed. Here they are finishing. Higher grade is given. 3 triangles they are roughness grade because we are fitting the second part, that is bush. I have drawn the common line. I have given the 1 name to this part. Now second part, here this is a common line between both. I will give you 1 number. I will draw the same figure. I will first draw this is a common line 1. Okay. What is the total length? 88 mm. What is the total length? 88 mm is the total length. 44 mm this side, 44 mm this side. Okay. I will just complete a rectangle here. What is the height? 9 mm. What is the height they have given? This is the 9 mm. And this is the curve of 9 mm is 4.5. 4.5. That is the second part. I will draw it with another pen. That is, this length is 88, 44 mm this side, 44 mm this side. What is the height? 9 mm. And just it is a half semicircle here they are drawn. What is the total length inside? This is a 50 mm. This is also the 50 mm. That is the barrel. Barrel is also of 50 mm. Body is 50 mm at top side. Now, how much part is inserted at total part here? If you minus this is 9, 18. 45 minus 18 means 27 mm is the depth. You have to insert it here. And what is the remaining upper side portion above this edge? That is the 9 mm. I have drawn the external. Here is the center line, same center line, because this is a vertical assembly. For all the parts, this center line is common. This center line is common to all the parts. Now, it is the internal threading. We will remove this because it is a cut section. Okay, this is the internal thread. For internal threading, we are drawing just 2 lines. Okay, in this way we have completed the second part. What we have matched, which line we have matched here, that is first this line. We have matched here and we have drawn the same figure. Now the third part is a screw. Screw is fitted inside it. Just this is the center line is common. I will name it this part to second and this line 2 2. This is the 2 2 now. This is line 2 2. This line is matched and I will draw the same figure here. I will draw the same figure here. From here I will start. What is the total length? Total length is 165 mm. It is a threaded portion, so we will draw the two lines. We will complete the same part here. Here they are given a hole with threading, internal threadings. There is a hole. In this way we have completed the second part and it is having the knurling portion here. For the third part, we have completed the third part here. Now which is the fourth part here? The fourth part is cup. Just they are given what is the diameter 45 mm. This diameter is also 45 mm. I will name it as, this is the base 3 3. This line overlaps on this line 3 3. Just I will draw from here the cup. This is the internal hole. After drawing the cup, we have to fit the washer here. I will draw with another pen here, washer. This is the center line. And in the washer we will put the screw, that is internal hole is created. Internal hole is created and we are fitting the screw here. And here we will add, we will insert the handle here. I will draw with another color. Here is the knurling. In this way we have to complete the assembly. Then I will draw the section line. The first part is the body. We'll give the name first. That is, this is the part body. Number 1. This is number 2. This is the part 3, that is the screw. This is the part 4. Which is the part 5th here. This is the washer. This is the washer, that is green color. This is the part 5th. Which is the part 6th. That is set screw. This is fitted here. This is part 6. And this is part 7, which is named as Tommy bar. This is the sectional front view. We have to complete the section, same section lines in upper direction. First part is body. I have been drawing the section line at 45 degree at 1 to 2 mm distance. This is the section line. Second is the screw. Here is the knurling. Now the third part, that is cuff. Here is the cuff we have drawn. I will draw section line in opposite direction. And we have drawn, actually this is knurling portion for, here is also the knurling portion. And in this way we have completed the front view. We have to give the dimension. Now here is the front view that we have drawn the tricks. This is the part we have taken. This is the 1-1 common. 1-1. This line is common. Here is 1-1 I have drawn. Here is the 1-1 and we have named a 1-1 here. That is, these two lines are common. This is the 1-1 and this is the line 1-1. This is line 1. Same line. Just you have drawn, we have completed the bush figure. Now the third, second, we have named it here. Here we have started 2-2. That is, this is the 2-2. This is the 2-2 line. And here this is the 2-2 line. If you take this line here and you match it at here, the same figure, that is the screw we have drawn, the same figure here done, center line is common. Now this is the part, what is the diameter? 25 mm. That 25 mm, this is the cup, that this line, this is, I have given the name 3-3, this is 3-3 and I have given this name 3-3. Just put the cup inside it, extension is given, that is 25 mm, here is the 25 mm hole, just put it here and we have completed the cup here. Here are the serrations to have a grip to the load. Now, same figure is drawn after putting the cup. Here is the cup you have drawn, the same figure, cup. After putting cup, they have put the washer. It's same internal diameter, that is 13 mm here. Here is the internal diameter. At cup, here is this face. Here we have to name it as, that is here, 4-4. Here is the 4-4. 4-4. This line is common, 4-4. Here we have to put the cup and then we have to insert this screw inside it. Hole is created. Here is the threaded portion, same threaded portion they have given. Just we have to insert it and complete the front view. And in this way, we have to give the dimension, geometrical tolerances on it. Name the figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare the part list. Same, first part, second part, number of the part, name of the part, material of that part, and what is the quantity required. All are 1-1-1. Now we will move. This is the section front view. Now we will move to how to draw the top view. Just take a compass, draw the center line, proceed it here, draw the center line, take a compass here, and just put the circles. That is 5-5. What do you mean by 5-5? 5 means It is a cylindrical portion or a circular portion from the top view. If the phi is given, that phi from the center line mark, take a distance, half of distance, come at here, and if it is seen from the top, you have to draw the dark circle, or if it is invisible, we have to draw the dotted circle. Same here, the circles, how many circles are there? Simply circles are there here, maximum. And here is that is a screw head, that is two lines are shown, and this is the handle, top view of the handle. Here a brake is given. We have studied in third conventional brake for long rod. We can cut it here and write the same dimensions here. It is a knurling portions. Only in the top view you will score the 4 marks. Just you have to draw the circles because it is the maximum cylindrical part and single center line is there. This is a vertical assembly. In this way, we have to complete the screw jack assembly, that is sectional front view and top view. Okay, thank you.